Hello, everyone. So, my effort on this YouTube channel, which is K8S, is basically to bring um, as much as people aware, technical folks, provide them with as much as videos and my experiences learning the container management technology. So if you see, containers is the latest technology, started a few years ago, and Kubernetes was a child of Google's research, and it has grown out very fast in last couple of years. And the future, as you can see, I have captured some data from market researches that are done. Lots and lots of companies are adopting to Kubernetes mostly as compared to other Docker, Swarm, and all, because of its stability, because of its scalability, and it has much more features. And the community is so big that the way the things get added on into the new Kubernetes features is definitely better than any other competitor. So if you see, right, so the container management technology is growing very fast, and next couple of years lots of companies are going to adopt it. But if you see on my chart on the right, lack of skilled resources is the top concern, like everybody, because this is something very challenging. I faced a lot of I had a big learning curve myself with my background and experience on a lot of Linux and other products with web servers, WebLogic, and still it took me a while to understand, because the technology is simple, but when it's implemented, there are so many features, and there are so many, especially the networking details, and like how stateless versus stateful containers. So the challenges I faced, so then I started writing them down, and then I started making videos, because I want, so everybody, who is getting up to speed, my goal is to help them, to help the community, so that we can have more folks get into, be able to solve day-to-day challenges. Because that's what, when it's in production, when it's working, like when you put it out there, that's when your challenges start. So that's my goal with this YouTube channel, and I'm covering a lot of stuff in this. I am covering containers basics, I'm containing Docker, and then I move on to Kubernetes pods, networking. I have a lot of videos on networking, and I've covered AWS EKS, which is one of the top managed service. I've also covered GKE, which is from Google, Anthos product, which is also a good competitor. I haven't yet done Azure and others, but these are, I've covered both Google and Amazon technologies. And I'm also covering a lot of stuff like GitOps and IAC, like Terraform, because building your cluster is one thing, but then continuously being able to we keep them up to speed on the config management and configuration changes is another. So that's what I'm trying to cover. So that's my goal, and hope you all enjoy, and happy learning.